FastBots AI is making waves in the world of artificial intelligence. And today we're diving into the 7 most crucial things you need to know about this software. Whether you're new to FastBots AI or just considering whether it's worth your time, this video will give you a comprehensive breakdown, so stick around until the end to make an informed decision. First off, FastBots AI has recently been released and it's already creating a buzz in the digital marketing world. If you're looking for an AI tool that simplifies your workflow, boosts productivity, and gets results, you're going to want to stick around for this one. And the best part? You can try FastBots AI completely free from the first link in the description below. Now, let's get into what makes FastBots AI stand out from the crowd. The first key thing you need to know is that it's designed for efficiency. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or content creator, FastBots AI helps automate repetitive tasks that usually eat up your time. The software integrates seamlessly with your workflow, allowing you to focus on more critical business operations. What sets FastBots AI apart from other AI tools is its ability to learn and adapt to your specific needs. Unlike other tools that offer generic automation, FastBots can be trained on your preferences, creating a more personalized experience. This means that, over time, the tool becomes more effective at predicting and optimizing your processes, saving you even more time as it learns your unique needs. Next, let's talk about its user-friendly interface. FastBots AI has a sleek, intuitive design that's incredibly easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started with this tool, which makes it a great option for both beginners and seasoned pros. The onboarding process is quick, and you'll be up and running in no time. Another thing that stands out is its versatility. FastBots AI isn't limited to a single use case. From content generation to customer service automation, FastBots has a variety of features that make it useful across different industries. It's perfect for those looking to automate everything from social media posts to email marketing, all while saving a ton of time. Now let's talk about pricing. FastBots AI is reasonably priced, especially considering the value it provides. You'll find flexible plans that cater to different business sizes and budgets, and with the free trial available, you can see for yourself whether this software is right for you without any commitment. But here's where it gets even better. FastBots AI's customer support team is outstanding. If you ever have any questions or issues, their team is always available to assist you. It's reassuring to know you won't be left hanging when you need help the most. Lastly, the software's scalability is something worth noting. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large enterprise, FastBots AI can scale with you as your needs grow. Its flexibility ensures that it can handle an increase in tasks and automation without sacrificing performance. So is FastBots AI worth trying out? Absolutely. It's packed with features that save you time, money, and effort, and it's easy to use no matter your level of experience. And remember, you can try FastBots AI completely free from the first link in the description below. If you're curious about other AI tools, make sure to check out my recommended list in the description, where I've reviewed thousands of AI software options to bring you the best. You won't want to miss out on these must-try tools to supercharge your business. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check the links below for more insights into AI software that's revolutionizing the way we work.